Good morning, all of you. Myself, KVS Murthy, working as Assistant Professor in CSE Department, SRKR Engineering College. Formal Languages and Automata Theory. In this class, I will explain about minimization of DFA. Coming to objectives, to understand the minimization of algorithm and to reduce the states of DFA. Minimization of DFA. In minimization process, we reduce the number of states of DFA. That is, in the original DFA we may have some n states, then in the minimized DFA we have some n minus k states. All the strings that are accepted in the original DFA can also accept in the minimized DFA, and at the same time all the strings which are not accepted in the original DFA can also not accept in the minimized DFA. This is the algorithm used for minimization process. First of all, we create a table which contains all the pairs PQ, where P and Q are all the states. All the entries in the table are initially unmarked. Now mark the pair PQ if P belongs to F and Q is not in final states, or vice versa. That is, we have to mark all the pairs in the table in which denoting one final state and one non-final states. Now we have to repeat the following until we make an entire pass of the table and no new pair gets marked. That is, we have to repeat this process for all the possible pairs in the given table. If PQ is unmarked and there exists an input symbol A such that if delta of PA comma delta of QA is marked, then we have to mark PQ. This process is repeated for all the possible states. After the completion of the entire process, if PQ is not marked, then we can say that P is identical to Q. We can say that P is identical to Q. Now we have to apply the above minimization algorithm to this DFA. In this DFA we have 8 states A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, where C is the only final state and all the remaining are non-final states. We have to minimize this DFA so that the minimized DFA should contain less than 8 states. First of all, we prepare the sets Q equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, all the 8 states in the diagram, and set of final states F equal to, there is only one final state C, and set of non-final states Q minus F, that is equal to A, B, D, E, F, G and H. Now we have to prepare a table like this. In this table we have some cells. Each cell is denoting a pair of states. For example, this cell is denoting the pair AH, and this cell is denoting the pair BH, and this cell is denoting the pair CH, and this cell is denoting the pair DH, like that. In a similar way, this cell is denoting the pair BA, this cell is denoting the pair CA, this cell is denoting the pair DA, like that. Initially all the cells are assumed to be empty. In the first step, we have to mark the pairs AC, BC, DC, EC, FC, GC and HC, because in all these pairs one is a final state and other one is the non-final state. So we have to place X as a mark in these pairs. Here it is AC, it is BC, it is DC, it is EC, it is FC, it is GC, it is HC. All these are marked with X. The red colored X symbol is placed in all these cells as a first step. Now we have to consider every other pair in the table and check whether it will receive any mark or not. What do you mean by every other pair? Every other pair is AB, AD, AE, AF, AZ, AH, BH, BG, BF, BE, BD, and here it is DE, DF, DG, DH, EH, EG, EF, and here FG, FH and GH. We have to consider all these pairs. Initially all these are not at all marked, only red colored are marked. Now consider the first pair AB. We have to take the input symbol 0. So delta of A0 and delta of B0 can be easily obtained from this diagram. A0 here is B and B0 here is G. So it is BG. So we got a pair BG. So now look in the table. If BG is already marked, we can place X in the pair AB. Because BG has no mark, so we have to look for another input symbol. The another input symbol is 1. So we have to determine delta of A1 and delta of B1. Delta of A1 is equal to F from this diagram and delta of B1 is equal to C in this diagram. So now we got a pair FC. Now look at the pair FC in the table. If FC is marked, we can mark AB. We can easily observe that FC is already marked, so we can mark AB. In a similar way, we have to consider the other pair, next pair AD. Take the input symbol 0, delta of A0 and delta of D0. Delta of A0 from this diagram is B, delta of D0 from this diagram is C. So we got a pair BC. BC is already marked in the given table. So we can mark AD there, and there is no need to look for another input symbol 1. Now consider the pair AE. Take the input symbol 0, take the input symbol 0, delta of A0 equal to B, delta of E0 equal to H, and now we have a pair BH that is not yet marked. So take the next input symbol, delta of A1 equal to F and delta of E1 equal to F. We have the pair FF. It is a not valid pair in the table. So in this case, we have to put our considered pair AE and obtained pair BH in a particular list. If after some time one of them is receiving X, then the other one is also receiving X. Now we have to consider the next pair AF. Take the input symbol 0, delta of A0 equal to B, delta of F0 equal to C. So we have the pair BC that is already marked. So we can easily mark AF and ignore the other input symbol 1. In a similar way, we have to consider all the other possible pairs in the table and finally fill them with X or not. Finally we observe that AE is not marked here, BH is also not marked, DF is also not marked. So we can easily say that A and E are equivalent because it is not receiving X. BH are equivalent because it is not receiving X, and DF is also equivalent because it is not receiving X. So the minimized DFA will contain the states AE as one state, BH as one state, C as another state, DF as one state, G is another state, and H is another state. So in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states are there in the minimized DFA, and we can say that AE is the initial state of the minimized DFA because it contains A. A is original initial state in the original diagram. And again, C is the final state in the minimized DFA because C is also the final state in the given DFA. And this is our minimized diagram. Here we have AE state, BH state, C state, DF state, G states. All these are, and we can easily frame the transitions, and C is the final state, AE is the initial state. We can also observe that L of language of the original diagram is equal to language of the minimized diagram. All the strings that are accepted in the original DFA can also accepted here, and all the strings which are not accepted in the original DFA are also not accepted here. Thank you one and all. Thank you.